I wanted to more dishwasher detergents today. So what I've got to say is we use different detergents in this lemon fresh astonish all-in-one dishwasher tablets. These are different. They are different detergents to what I was talking about before, and so these are the programs that you can use. For example, change the settings. That's the hottest, and you can actually go through use that setting. Those two. That's pre-rinse, I think. And what I could say, the last time I was talking about detergents was dishwasher. What do you call it? Dishwasher all-in-one. I can't remember what the detergent was. This one I can get to get a cleaner result. Inside is what you recommend. That's what it says when I open the door to the dishwasher. It says here, so Lucy, we recommend to use inside for shiny dry dishes. That's what it does, and the things I can have in my. I'll just turn. Thanks for watching. Bye.